Now, I would like to invite Bapi Borua. Please come to this and deliver your valuable speech.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, my sincere thanks to our teacher, Dr. Shumno Priyobikhu. Thanks to honorable guest and my classmates. My name is Bapi Borua. I am studying MA program first year at Chattogram College. I am regular student of English learning program. Today, I shall tell a story of the butterfly. A man found a cover of a butterfly. One day, a small opening appeared. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours as it struggled to force its body through that little hole until it suddenly stopped making any progress and looked like it was struck. So the man decided to help the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and snapped off the remaining bit of the cover. The butterfly then emerged easily, although it had a swollen body and a small shrivelled wings. The man didn't think anything of it and sat there waiting for the wings to enlarge to support to the butterfly. But that didn't happen. The butterfly spent the rest of its life unable to fly, crawling around with the thin wings and swollen body. Despite the kind heart of the man, he didn't understand that the restricting cocoon and the struggle needed by the butterfly to get itself through the small opening were God's way of forcing fluid from the body of the butterfly into its wings to prepare itself for flying once it was out of the cocoon. Moral of the story: our struggle in life develop our strengths. Without struggles, we never grow and never get stronger. So it's important for us to tackle challenge on our own and not be relying on help from others. Now I am telling my own story. My dear friend and respected audience, this English program seems like a dream to me. I never imagined that such an important English learning activity would be started in a rural village, or I would have the opportunity to study here. One day I heard that an English course was going to be started at Ratnapur Bihar in village Beparipara. How it is going to start? Reverend Dr. Shumana Pribikhu has come to the village, who is a PhD degree holder from Thailand. Our Buddhist Temple Management Committee was discussed with him to start English learning course. Students and the village have been informed that those who are interested, call of them. As usual, English course has started in Ratnapur, Bihar. I am listening to everyone and watching the educational activities on Facebook. I am a college student. The name of college name is Chattogram College. I also went to study, but like other students, I can't go anywhere because I am a housewife. I have to follow many rules and regulations of my family and society. I have a 3 years old daughter. I need to take care her too. One day I informed to my mother-in-law that I am interested to the study English course at Ratnapur, Bihar. Immediately she agreed with my proposal. Then tried to manage my father-in-law and husband. My father-in-law's name Udip Prasad Borua. My mother-in-law's name Shravani Borua. My husband's name Upal Borua. I have got permission to study, seeing my interest in reading. They also encouraged me a lot. It took a long time to complete all these processes to manage all of them. Although many classes were over, I was afraid a lot when I came to join first day in English program. Reverend Dr. Shumanopriya Bhikkhu admitted me in the class. I started the first class with a conversation in English. That day, I had a conversation with my friends Tommy Borua and Chandrika Borua. That day, most remarkable day for me. I never forget. I loved the teaching method of this course. from the first day. This memory will stay with me forever. I saw I was the only housewife as a student in course. I think like me, many housewives are interested to study, but they are not getting support by other family and also husband. Women are constrained social and family. There is not enough opportunity to develop more knowledge. I am very grateful to my family, mother-in-law, father-in-law and husband. They are loved a lot by admitted in this course. I once again expresses my deepest gratitude to my respected teacher, Reverend Dr. Sumonopriya Bikhu, Management Committee, Beparipara, Ratnapur, Bihar Shobha, Youth Generation and Villagers. Thank you very much for listening my speech attentively. Namaskar all of you.